Many people are now or soon to be humbled by your success. What you have achieved, what you will achieve, they didn't want for you, or they did not envision it for you. You may have been going through a very turbulent time with the Ten of Swords. You may have lost everything, figuratively speaking, for some of you, but you may have hit rock bottom. I don't want to trigger anyone, but this is what I'm picking up with the Ten of Swords starting off the reading. And these individuals, they felt satisfied. They felt like you wouldn't crawl your way out of this despair, this discomfort. They thought it was over for you. You've missed an opportunity. You will never reach a certain milestone. You didn't have it in you. You know, they were planning for your losses. They were smug about you not achieving something in their view at a certain time. They thought that you had given up on yourself. They thought that you lost all hope with a certain gift or a talent. They thought that you were up and stuck, in despair, in confusion, like them. But what they witnessed was that you gained, or you will gain, many medals, awards, for all your hard work that you were doing behind the scenes. Some of you are going through your Saturn 12th house transit, and it's about undoings. It's about facing your shadows, doing the inner work, doing the healing work. And once you overcome this cycle, because Saturn rewards, it's not all about being punished. It's about working with the energies of Saturn. Once you do the work, you will be rewarded. And your rewards are going to be historic for some of you. And some people may be shocked that you have made a huge comeback, or that you are making a comeback. They thought that they could hold you back in some way. For some of you, this could be a sibling, this could be a friend from the past. And when they witness or hear about your achievements, they're going to be so humbled, and for some, depressed. This could be up to 3 people that feel this way, or 2. They laughed and joked with you, but they wanted you to fail. They may have judged your goals in the past, and they may have told others. For some of you, they may have told you bold-facedly that what you wanted can never be achieved. They made you believe that it was far out of your reach. They may have wanted you to settle. They may have thought that they had convinced and manipulated you. They may have tried to throw you off energetically, whilst not understanding that you are a powerful spiritual force that remains emotionally balanced and focused on your goals. You are resilient, and it's your resilience that is going to get you to where you deserve to be. The more they try and pour doubt into you, Spirit is saying, the more you need to remain focused, unshakable. And for some of you, you are unbeatable, because these individuals are trying to rival you. They're trying to compete with you. And they are learning, or they will learn, that you are 10 steps ahead. Just when they thought that you failed, just when they thought that they slowed you down, you have jumped into a new timeline. Wow, still looking good, you know. Look at her. She's a whole snack. She's a hottie. And this is what's aggravating these individuals even more. They're thinking, how come you look so good? Remember, they wanted you to stay in the Ten of Swords energy. Downtrodden, You know, I'm hearing forgetful. Forgetful in regards to what's important to you. You know, they wanted you to let go of your looks. They didn't want you to pour into yourself. They were celebrating, but they celebrated too soon, because you are a warrior, a spiritual warrior. Your ancestors are not playing. You have a mission to fulfill. You have ideas that are before its time, but that needs to be birthed. You need to continue to pour love into yourself. You see, your heart chakra is open. These individuals, they feel worn and battered by life. Their heart chakra is closed, so they don't understand your energy. They are angry of your energy. But you need to continue to heal. Healing is your superpower, my darling. Pouring into you, minding your own business, staying in your own lane, and watch what you will achieve. Some of you are going to gain leadership positions. Some of you are going to gain the attention of CEOs. Some of you will gain your own shop, your own stores. Word will get around about your abilities, about your work ethic. Some of you are going to run your own companies independently. You are being taken seriously, or you will be taken seriously. These individuals did not comprehend the levels of success that you are about to achieve. They saw it in you, but they didn't want you to see it in you. But what they don't know is that you are a whole force to be reckoned with. Some of you are going to gain worldwide fame. Even if it's not on TV or on social media. For some of you, yes, on social media. I spoke about this before. Some of you need to launch. I don't like telling people what to do, but Spirit is saying it's advisable that you do launch your YouTube channel, your podcast, your Instagram. I'm connecting to spiritual leaders of the future. I'm connecting to leaders in general. You're here to spread love, to spread wisdom, to spread knowledge. And this is why some of these individuals wanted to stop and block you, because they work for the dark forces, whether they are old friends or even family members. They don't know that they do, but they do. Because if they didn't, they would be supporting you. They know that you're here to spread light and love. And they wanted you to stay in the darkness so that you will turn to the dark side like them. They have allowed their pain, their trauma to harden their heart. You have allowed your pain and your trauma to heal your heart and to heal others. Big difference. Hurt people do not hurt people. Hurt people need to start healing people. And that's where you come into the mix. But again, you will reach the heights of success in whatever area of work that you are in. These people are going to get a front row seat. They're going to be shocked. Some may say, oh, I know him or I know her. Oh, yeah. It's up to you if you want to align with these individuals. But Spirit is saying where you're going and where they are going are two separate levels. It's not about being conceited. It's facts. You are on another frequency. They will not be in alignment with you anyway. So you will not be a match. Success awaits for all eyes to see, especially those doubters. The success that you're going to achieve is going to even shock you. You're going to reach a level of completion. All that hard work, all that trials, all those tribulations that you've been through weren't for nothing. Because the blessings that you're going to receive are going to be on another level. Out of this world, literally with the world card. I'm talking about some of you are going to be appearing on shows, getting interviewed about how did you do it. Some of you are going to gain your masters, your PhDs. Some of you are going to travel and be public speakers. Some of you are going to win awards. for your work that you do for your company. Some of you are going to be seen as the face of a company. Some of you are going to own your own empire. Some of you are going to win medals and gain titles. Titles that are respected all over the world for whatever role you are in. Listen, you're going to be humbling a lot of haters. But keep humble, stay grounded, stay focused, keep healing, and keep winning.